Question is taken from Unilag Foundation entrance examination. So the question is, a circle with center 4, 5 passes through the line, the y-intercept of the line 5x minus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. Find the equation of the circle. So what we got to do first is to find the x and y intercept and the gradient of the circle. Then after doing that, we draw a rough sketch to show the circle. So this is the line 5x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. By putting x equals 0 in this equation here, we are going to have 5 times 0 minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. So that gives us minus 2y equals minus 6. So by dividing both sides by minus 2, y is going to be equal to 3. So the coordinate of the point of intersection of the straight line 5x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0 is 0 and 3. Next is to put y equals 0. So to put y equals 0 in the above, we have 5x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. So if I put y equals 0, I'm going to have 5x plus 6 equals 0. And from there, 5y is going to be equal to minus 6. Dividing both sides by 5, I'm going to have x equals minus 6 over 5. So x equals minus 6 over 5. So the coordinate of the x-intercept is minus 6 over 5 and 0. So next, we need to find the gradient of the line 5x minus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. So finding the gradient, we are going to make y the subject of the formula. So I'm making y the subject of the formula. I'm going to have minus 2y equals minus 5x minus 6. And from there on, y is going to be equal to, so I'm going to divide both sides by minus 2. I'm dividing both sides by minus 2. I'm going to have minus 5y divided by minus 5x divided by minus 2 is going to give me 5 over 2. That is what is required because that is the gradient of the line. So from there, we can be able to predict that the straight line has a positive intercept. So this is a rough sketch. This is a rough sketch of our circle and the line. The line passes through minus 6 over 5 and on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. So this circle also passes through 3 on the x-axis because that is the y-intercept. That is 0 and 3. So the center of the circle is 4, 5. That means the x-axis is 4 and the x-coordinate is 4 and the y-coordinate is 5. So what you now do is to draw a straight line between the center, which is 4, which coordinate is 4, 5, and the point of intersection of the circle and the straight line on the y-axis, which is at point 3. So but remember that the coordinate of that point is 0, 3. The point where both the circle and the straight line touches the y-axis is 0, 3. So we have to look for the radius. So the radius is the distance between the 2 points. So to get the radius, we use the formula to get the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points is r squared equals x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1, everything all squared. Now I'm going to take my x2 to be 4, which is the center of the circle, and my x1 is 0, which is the coordinate of the y-intercept. My y2 is 5, which is also from the center of the circle, and my y1 is 3, which is the coordinate of the y-intercept. So we have this on putting the values. So I'm going to have r squared equal to 4 minus 0. So these are 0, 3 and 4, 5 are the y-intercept, and 4 and 5 are the center of the circle. Is the center of the circle. So 4 minus 0 is 4. So I have 4 squared plus 5 minus 3 is 2. So I have 2 squared. So r squared is equal to 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 2 squared is 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. So by using the equation of a circle, the equation of a circle is x minus a everything squared plus y minus b everything squared equals to r squared. Now where a and b are the coordinate of the center of the circle. So therefore a is 4 and y is 5. So by expanding the bracket, x minus 4 squared plus y minus 5 everything squared equals 20. I'm going to have, I'll square x squared, then I have 2 times s times minus 4, that will give me minus 8s plus 4 squared. 4 squared is 16, then plus in the middle, then I'm going to do y squared minus 2 times y times minus 5, that will give me minus 10y plus 5 squared is 25, everything equals to 0. So by bringing everything to the left hand side, I'm going to have x squared plus y squared minus 8s minus 10y plus 16 plus 25 is 41. Then I bring minus 20 that this side, I have minus 20 equals 0. So the equation of the circle becomes x squared plus y squared minus 8s minus 10y. 41 minus 20 is 21 equals 0. So that gives us the equation of the circle.